Hello everybody! Thank you for tuning in on this video. My name is John Pato Gonzalez and today we are going to make pancakes with hot choco. The recipes and process of making these are simple and can be done easily, especially at home. So if you want a fluffy pancake and comfy hot choco, come along with me and I'm going to show you how to make them and say facts about pancakes and hot choco at the same time. First, we need to make the pancakes. Before we get to cooking the pancake, we need to make the pancake mix. So the pancake mix is a homogeneous mixture, meaning you can't really distinguish what's in the mixture. Examples of this are coffee, milkshakes, and chocolate mix, which we are going to make later in this video. The reason we can't really identify and distinguish the mix is because its particles are distributed uniformly throughout, unlike heterozygous mixtures, which you can see and differentiate what's in the mix. As the recipe goes, we're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 piece of egg, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Oh, I almost forgot. We also need butter. Big question, why do we need baking powder and eggs for our pancakes? Baking powder is there for the chemical reaction. It produces carbon dioxide when water is added or as a response to heat. Thus, its role as a chemical leavening. The egg is added because it contains gluten. The pancake relies on the eggs to provide necessary structures to hold the bubbles released by the chemical reaction from the baking powder. Without this, the pancake may be flat, unfluffy, or even lacks taste. You'll see that as we are cooking the pancakes, there's a chemical reaction happening. This is called an endothermic reaction, in which the pancake absorbs heat from the fire so we can attain the expansion of the solution. And when the pancake is done, you'll notice that it's still hot, but minutes later it will be warmer and until it became at room temperature. This process is known as an exothermic reaction, in which the pancake releases energy in the form of heat until it becomes equal to the room temperature. Now that we have our pancake, we are now going to make our hot choco with just simple steps and few recipes. We're going to need 1 can of milk, 2 packs of cocoa, 250 grams salt, brown sugar, any sugar you like. But first, we need to boil water so we can easily dissolve the ingredients needed to make the hot choco. After pulling down the ingredients for our hot choco, we are going to stir it continuously. This is also one thing that will affect the solubility of the solution by dispersing the solvent particles so that the parts of the solvent can still have contact with it. Observing the solution, we can identify that it is a saturated solution. And the saturated solution is when the concentration is at solubility limit. But when we don't mix it well, it tends to leave more solvents under the solution because of how our mixture came out to be. So now that we are done making the pancakes and making the hot choco, we can now enjoy the science-packed meal. But we're gonna wait the exothermic reaction on this one because it is hot. But that's all for now, and thank you for watching.